That's for you. Hi, and welcome back to Sunday dinner. Thank you guys for coming over. So today we're gonna have I don't even know what to call it. It's a big booty burger, a good morning butt rub burger. I don't know, but morning sunrise burger. I don't know, something. I'm gonna come up with a nice name. But so that's what we're eating. There's some Munster and Colby Jack cheese on here. There's an egg. If y'all never had an egg on a burger, try it. But let's say our grace and we'll keep talking. God is good. God is great. Let us thank him for our food. By his hands we are fed. Give us, Lord, our daily bread. Lord, we say thank you, and we ask that this food be used for nothing but the nourishment of our bodies. We say thank you for the ability to eat and enjoy food, and just, you know, for existing, for the day, for our life, health, and strength. And we just continue to say thank you and express gratitude. Amen. So, it's Sunday. Oh, I'm drinking this. I'm gonna mess up this name, but I'm gonna go with Jarritos, the pineapple flavor. I'm gonna be like them people who say I don't drink soda, but you're gonna watch me drink soda, okay? So, it's a crunchy fry. And so, yes. Oh, there's also like a little bit of avocado on here, so I had to smush this all together. Oh no, ranch. Crunchy fry too. You got a couple crunchy fries in here. So we're eating potato chips today with our burger. But let me get a bite. Let me get a good bite. There's some bacon. I don't really eat pork either, but I'm eating it. I don't count bacon as pork. I don't care what y'all say. Okay, this burger's good. Oh boy. So as I was saying, Ooh. As I was saying, again for the third time, an egg on a burger is something that I never knew that I needed. But the moment I had it, I realized we were meant to be. This is biting my potato chip, excuse me. But, yes, child. You have to get that in your life, okay? I told y'all I like potatoes in any form. I don't care. That fry was cool. Don't worry about it. Am I the only one who dips my burger in ranch too? I don't even know. There's a lot of meat on here. This could go. This could go. Don't get me wrong. I need to slow down. See, y'all don't usually drink. Ooh, excuse me, but every once in a while you can let yourself, you know, have a little something, something or whatever. Close are done. I don't know why I'm so goofy today. I'm so goofy every day. I don't change. But if you're a pineapple soda drinker, if you've ever tried D&G, which is a Jamaican brand or island brand, I don't know if they are sourced in Jamaica. I think they are. I should know this. Oh God. Oh God, they gonna kick me out. But if you're a soda drinker, try them too. Stay poppin'. I really be having a food lover moment. Oh, he's dancing. This tomato is creating a little bit of hysteria. You guys wanted to bite. Oh man, I forgot. Let's see if I can get this for you. That's for you. I know some people gonna say but you're supposed to make your burger medium well. No? I like to know good and well that it's done. So make it very well done. You know that pink stuff. Baby shark. Sorry. Daddy's home. I'm just kidding. He never came home. Whew. Oh boy. Always hitting me. Oh boy. These potato chips are good. Ooh. excuse me. Let's see. I wouldn't be feeling full if I wasn't drinking. I don't know if I can do it. I'm so scared. This burger's gonna beat me. French fry. Not potato chip this one, promise. Oh dear God. I'm about to fall asleep. Hey, Miss Shirley. I really don't know if I can finish this. I can eat these fries though. It's not gonna be a problem. Whoa. These potato chips are very good. Yo, I think I'm gonna call it. I got a little bit left, but I maybe I need a break and then I can come back. But It was good. It's good. And my potato chip fries were good. Might have been a little crispy. A little crispier than I would prefer. But we're good nonetheless, and I'm glad that you guys were here. If you're watching this, comment below and let me know what you are having for Sunday dinner, and or even like what you want me to make for Sunday dinner. And if you're coming over, you know what I'm saying, and let me know what you want me to make. You guys are gonna be here. But I see y'all next Sunday. I do look forward to hearing from you. So holla at your girl, and